Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Tutorial Lore. Today I am going to teach you how to create a collection on Shopify. Be sure to stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel, Tutorial Lore. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Shopify app. First, download and open the Shopify application from the Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Go to the Products section at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Products. Then, tap on the Collections tab. Step 3. Create a new collection. Tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Enter the collection name, e.g., t-shirts or men's shoes. Add a description if needed. Step 4. Choose Collection. Select how you want to add products. Manual collection. You'll add products one by one. Automated collection. Shopify will add products based on rules like price, tags, or inventory. Step 5. Save and add products. Tap Save, then go back to Products to add items to the collection. Now your collection is ready to display in your store. That's all for today's video. Hope you have understood how to create a collection on Shopify. If you still have any doubts, drop a comment and I'll definitely reply or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button, press subscribe, and leave a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you for watching.